we have to prove that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. We will take the LHS part. In the LHS part, we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab can be written as minus ab because minus ab will be minus 2ab. By doing suitable rearrangement, we can write a square plus b square minus ab as a square minus ab plus b square minus ab. By taking a as common from a square minus ab, we will get a whole into a minus b, because a into a will be a square and a into minus b will be minus ab. So we can write a square minus ab as a whole into a minus b. Now we can take b as common from b square minus ab. So by taking b as common, we will get b into b minus a, because b into b will be b square and b into minus a will be minus ba, which can also be written as minus ab. So we can write b square minus ab as b whole into b minus a. Now a whole into a minus b plus b whole into b minus a can be written as a whole into a minus b plus b whole into minus 1 whole into a minus b. Here we can take minus 1 as common from b minus a, because minus 1 into a will be minus a and minus 1 into minus b will be plus b, because minus into minus will be plus and b into 1 will be b. So b minus a can be written as minus 1 whole into a minus b. B into minus 1 will be minus b. So b whole into minus 1 whole into a minus b can be written as minus b whole into a minus b. So we can write a whole into a minus b plus b whole into minus 1 whole into a minus b as a whole into a minus b minus b whole into a minus b. Now we can take a minus b as common. So by taking a minus b as common, we will get a minus b whole into a minus b. A minus b whole into a minus b can be written as a minus b whole square, because a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b whole into a minus b. RHS is a minus b whole square, thus LHS is equal to RHS, so that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Hence proved.